And in today's video, we will see how to add a broker in TradingView in mobile and the desktop. So firstly, we will see how we can add a broker in our TradingView website. So once you open your chart, here you can simply click on the trade button at your top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the trade button, here you will see many kind of brokers available. Okay, if you need a broker or if you are not found a broker here, you can simply click on show all brokers. After that, here you can simply select your broker, which one you want to add. Okay. And then once you tap here, now it will ask you to click on connect. Once you click on connect, it will redirect or it will maybe ask for a broker credentials. Once you enter your broker credentials, then it will show up in your bottom of the screen. Okay. And once it will show bottom of your screen where you will see the balance and about your broker. Okay, so first you will need to create a account in your broker website and then you can simple add here. Now we will see how we can do in mobile view. Same as for the mobile users, you can simple firstly open your chart. Once you open your chart, then after wait, yes, here once I open my chart, then after once I open my chart, now here you can simple click on the, you will see here at the right side the pencil icon, a icon is called broker icon. Okay, up and down arrow. Once you tap on it, here it will open all the brokers. You can here search your broker, and once you find, you can simple tap on it. And then same as you can simple click on connect, then enter the credentials. Once you enter, the broker will be add here. Okay, goodbye.